Hello, everyone, and welcome back from SUSECON 2024. My name is Zorlan, and I'm joined here today by Brad from Mainsail.
From Mainsail.
Mainsail. Oh man, I'm gonna butcher that name a few more
That's
times.
fine. That's
All
fine.
right, thank you for joining us today.
Yeah,
And
glad to be here.
can you share some? I know we do something around SLE Micro and Edge Image Builder, but can you share more with us what you're doing and how our partnership works?
Yeah, absolutely. So I had two talks while I was here. One of it was focusing on securing AI workloads at the edge. And so I worked with some of the solution architects here to build out secure foundation for building secure images based on our platform, which is called Metal Visor, which is a new type of what we call a type 0 hypervisor. Because basically what we've done is we've removed the orchestration layer and bringing the workloads as close to the bare metal as possible. So you get the speed and the performance that you need for running these low latency workloads. And especially SLE Micro really helps because it's a mutable, stripped down operating system that when you're starting to build these declarative images, you really need a safe place to do so. And that was one of the things that we helped to demonstrate with one of my talks.
Nice. And you say you remove the orchestration. That means you're removing layers of things that can go wrong, practically.
Absolutely. So if you look at the way we've traditionally done virtualization, you normally will have a virtualization layer that's looking to move or motion virtual machines around. So that's one orchestration layer. And then when you start to put Kubernetes on top, now you've got a whole nother orchestration
And logic
problem.
and yeah.
Yeah, and when we start looking at these edge workloads that are, most of the time low latency or using like real-time operating systems or need, very safety critical, these kinds of things. When you have all of this extra orchestration going on, it normally will break any real-time guarantees that you need. So by removing that second layer of orchestration, now we can use Kubernetes to handle all the fault tolerance and those types of things, and still give a guaranteed quality service for those workloads. One of the other things that we're able to bring to the picture is mixed criticality. So that's basically the running of a real-time operating system along with the traditional workload, and being able to have them co-located on the same machine without interfering.
Yeah. And can you share something about security? Because all that, for me, also sounds like you're minimizing the surface
The
of
attack
attacks.
surface,
Yeah.
correct.
So can you share that?
Yeah, so one of the things that we've done is we have a system on our platform called Arc, which is what we call active response capability. And what it does is it looks for signs of indicators of compromise. So if we see things like some kind of stack-based or memory corruption exploit coming out of workload, depending on what that policy is, we can alert or we can actually take action to stop that attack in real time. So it's a really nice combination when we start putting together all the SUSE products on top, where we have things like New Vector that's able to really focus on the container security domain, but for the lower level, those types of threats, that 0 days and coming at the lower levels, the firmware, the BIOS, and these types of things. This is where we're always looking and monitoring and going to be able to block these things in real time.
Nice. And I don't want to put you on the spot, but can you share some of the roadmap? What's coming up?
Oh, absolutely. So what we're trying to do is actually get tighter integration with not only Rancher, but also with New Vector. So one of the things we're looking at is working on kind of the node driver to be able to automatically provision Rancher worker controller nodes automatically through the Rancher interface. And then also we're trying to take a lot of the low-level security metrics that we're collecting at a very, very low level and be able to pass that up to New Vector to be able to integrate that in, so that you're not only seeing high-level container, security issues, but also lower things in the stack.
Yeah. So you can have the two postures kind of combined and do the
Correct.
analysis. Right.
Right.
Right. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
It was
absolutely.
super nice chatting with you
Yeah,
and see you next
absolutely.
time. Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.